Welcome. If you want to adjust auto sync language settings in the Wild Rift, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move to the language settings, and then when you want to switch the text language, for example for Deutsch, and you don't want to change the audio settings, you have to tap on the switcher, and after that only the text will be in the English, in the Dutch, and the audio will be still in the language, in the English. And if you want to activate and just change both of them, you have to tap on the switcher and just enable synchronized language with audio. And after that you have to tap confirm. You can also go for the format, and here you can turn it off and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.